This is the inside view of the refrigerator where you can see the fan. Here, you can see these two holes, which contain screws inside. We will remove these screws to take out the fan. In this model of the refrigerator, the company has installed a fan to maximize the cooling effect. With better airflow, the cooling will be more efficient and faster, which will also help save electricity. However, if this fan becomes faulty, the cooling will not be effective and the electricity bill will be higher. I have now removed the fan. As you can see, I'm turning the door switch on and off, but the fan is not working. Normally, when the door is closed, the fan operates, and when the door is opened, the fan stops. This is a 12-volt DC fan. On the back of the refrigerator, you will see this cover. You can press it with any flat screwdriver, and it will come off. After that, you will see its PCB, which we will remove and repair. Now look, we have removed this circuit. This circuit provides both 220 volts and 12 volts supply. As you can see, 220 volt supply is coming here, but it is showing 0 volts here, which means the power supply from the PCB is dead. We will now repair it and show you the results. The circuit has now been repaired. Look here, it is still showing 0 volts at both points without power. Now we will supply electricity to it. As you can see, we have 224 volts here and 12 volts here, which means the circuit has been successfully repaired. Now we will reinstall it in the refrigerator. We have now reinstalled the circuit properly, as you can see. When we press the door switch, the fan is running. Pressing the door switch again shows that the fan is working perfectly. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.